This is your science period, children, and today we are going to begin with chapter 8, page number 56. Page number 56. Page number 56, science books. Animals, homes and babies. Now, in your nursery and KG classes, you must have studied the homes of animals, the babies also. So now today we are going to study it in a proper lesson form in your science on page number 56. Open your books and give me a thumbs up. Okay, Ashwil, Manvi, Ashwika, Aban, Rudra, Satakshi. Okay, all ready? All right. Now on page number 56, children, you have a nice drawing given over there. That drawing is of an ant hill. You know the ants? Can you see the ants over there in that picture? Ants जिस घर में रहती हैं उसको हम बोलते हैं ant hill. Ants जो होती है ना मड से अपना घर बनाती है and it is like a hill. ऊंचा सा होता है. That is why it is called an ant hill. Now there's a puzzle given here. There's an interesting puzzle given here. You have to reach the ants to find their way home. Now this you will do for homework. Put over the HW, children. Now let's read the lesson and see what it says. Animals need homes to live in. Homes help to keep animals safe from rain, heat, cold and other animals. Now just as we need homes, animals also need homes to keep themselves safe. When it rains, when it is very hot, when it is cold, so इन सब वेदर में एनिमल्स को अपने आप को सेफ रखने के लिए कोई जगह चाहिए होती है. So they make the animals, the wild animals, वो forest में अपने लिए कहीं पर कुछ जगह ढूंढते हैं. And the pet animals, they are always already there with us in the house, so they are safe. So all animals need homes, children. Then it says a lion lives in a den, a bear lives in a cave. A lion lives in a den, a bear lives in a cave. All of you know these animals, lion, bear. Then snakes live in holes in the ground. Snakes, they live in the holes in the ground.
Ma'am, which page number?
Bhavika, we have finished reading that page also. We are on page 56. You have to pay attention.
मत करो ऐसे, मैं मना कर रही हूँ.
मैम मैंने नहीं आपसे पूछा है.
Your mic is on, Bhavika. Okay. All these latecomers who are joining just now, we are on page number 56. We are on page number 56. All these children who are joining just now, you please keep a check on the timetable. The timings, किस समय आपको join करना है. You have to make a note of the timings, किस समय class शुरू हो रही है, उस समय आपको join करना है. Okay, Bhavika. Now, Bhavika, I can see you also. So, children, animals also need homes. They need homes because they need to keep themselves safe. Now, there are some animals, the small ones, they need to keep themselves safe from the bigger animals. So, they also need homes. Right? Just as you need homes, we studied we need homes, that lesson, and we need to keep ourselves safe from the different weather, the climate, and then you need to keep yourself safe from the thieves also. In the same way, these animals, they need to keep themselves safe from the different weathers, and from the bigger animals, the small ones need to be safe. Now see, page number 57 talks about the homes of these animals. Let's see the animals and the pictures given over there, their homes. Different animals live in different types of homes. Some animals make their own homes. कुछ animals अपना घर खुद बनाते हैं and कुछ के लिए हम लोग बना के देते हैं. So let's see. Rabbits live in burrows. Look at the first picture, children. Rabbits live in burrows. Rabbit जो होते हैं वो जमीन में गड्ढा करते हैं. They dig the ground and then they make a burrow, a deep hole over there, and then they go and live inside that. Then the honey bees live in hives. You can see the hive over there. Honey bees, सबको डर लगता है, कोई honey bee का hive में जाकर touch नहीं करता है. अगर touch कर देंगे then the bees will come and sting you. Okay, so you have to be careful. Then see the next one. Lions live in dens. Lions जो होते हैं forest में रहते हैं, वो अपने लिए den एक गुफा टाइप की ढूंढते हैं, वहां पर रहते हैं to keep themselves safe. अगर बारिश होगी तो बाहर बारिश में वो भीगते रहेंगे. So they find a home for themselves. Then birds make nests. The beautiful birds, they make nests. And children, there are some birds that make their nests very beautifully. कुछ birds होती हैं जो बहुत अच्छा से nest बनाती हैं. There's one bird, the weaver bird. वो बहुत अच्छे से अपने लिए nest weave करती है. All right. Then you have the spiders. Spiders live in the web. They make a web for themselves. दीवार में आपने कभी कभी घर में देखा होगा कहीं पर. The spiders, they make a web for themselves and they live over there. Then you have snakes. Snakes live in holes. Yes. Shiv, you are saying?
मैंने अपने स्टोर रूम मैंने स्टोर रूम
Okay. Yes, Shiv? I cannot hear you, Shiv. You're trying to tell me something? Okay, all of you have seen a spider's web? Give me a thumbs up those who have seen a spider's web. जिसने जिसने spiders web देखा है, give me a thumbs up. Sayansh, I cannot see you. Aban, I cannot see you. So many children I cannot see. Then how will I see your thumbs up? I cannot see the thumbs up of some children. Okay, so you have seen a spider's web. And how many of you have seen a beehive? Give me a thumbs up those who have seen a beehive. Aishuka has seen. Shanawar has seen. Bhavika has seen. Manvi, what about you? Have you seen a beehive? Alia, camera on करिए अपना. आलिया, आपने कैमरा अभी अभी ऑफ किया है, उसको ऑन करो बेटे. Manvi, have you seen a spider's web?
Yes, ma'am.
You have seen, okay. And what about Sayansh? Sayansh, have you seen a beehive?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sayansh, अपना कैमरा ऑन करिए. Okay, so most of you have seen a beehive, a spider's web. Has anyone seen a burrow? Has anyone seen a burrow? Shanavar, you have seen? Okay, where have you seen Shanavar? Shanavar, where have you seen a burrow? Shanavar, you said you have seen a burrow. Where have you seen? Rabbits live in burrows. आपने कहाँ पे देखा है?
मैम
Yes, Shanavar?
विलेज में
Village में. Okay, very good. And you've seen the rabbit running into the burrow? Rabbit को जाकर उसमें दौड़ के अंदर जाते देखा आपने?
यस मैम
Okay. All right. Then see the bird's nest. All of you must have seen a nest. All of you must have seen a nest. Manvi, now I can see you. Sayansh, I can see you now. आप कैमरा ऑफ मत करिएगा.
मैंने
Okay.
देखा है
Okay. Nest all of you must have seen, right?
भी है नेस्ट
नेस्ट सबने देखा होगा. ओके. आपके घर में भी हो सकता है बर्ड्स कभी कभी नेस्ट बना लेती होंगी. यस, यू मस्ट हैव सीन. ओके. हैज एनीवन सीन द den? Has anyone seen a den where the lion lives?
यस मैम
Okay, Path has seen it. Path, where have you seen it?
यस मैम यस मैम यस मैम मैंने भी देखा है
Okay, so many of you have seen a den. All very brave, huh? That's good.
मैम
All
मैंने
right.
जू में देखा था
Zoo में Zoo में देखा है. All right, good. Even I have been to the zoo.
मैम मैंने भी जू में देखा है देखा है जू में
We have all been to the zoo and we all have seen it. Yes.
मैंने लायन को जंगल में देखा है
आलिया, कैमरा ऑन करो बेटे. कैमरा मत टच किया करिए आप लोग. All right. Now, see the animals that are made at the bottom on page number 57. Some animals live in man-made homes. अब अभी तक हम लोग ऊपर जो एनिमल्स देख रहे थे, those animals they make their own homes. वो अपने लिए घर खुद बनाते हैं. Rabbit digs a burrow. Honeybees they make the thing hives for themselves. The lions they look for a den. लायन अपने लिए फॉरेस्ट में कहीं पर जाकर एक गुफा ढूंढता है रहने के लिए. बर्ड्स अपने लिए नेस्ट बनाती हैं. स्पाइडर अपने लिए वेब बनाता है. स्नेक अपने लिए होल ढूंढता है जहां पर वो रहेगा. नाउ देयर आर सम एनिमल्स फॉर हु वी मेक द हाउसेस, जिनके लिए हम बनाते हैं.
मैम आपको कुछ कहना है
यस.
मैम मैंने एक स्पाइडर देखा था बहुत छोटा सा मैंने जब 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 मैंने उसको उसके अंदर स्पाइडर था वो उछल के जाता था स्पाइडर में
Okay, you see the spider moving to the web. Okay, that's nice. Today I'll send you one video. You can see that video, then you'll see the lovely animals and their homes. All right, you can enjoy watching that video. Now see these animals, children, for whom we make the house. Hens live in coops. Hens live in coops. इनके लिए जो घर होता है उसको हम बोलते हैं coop, and the human beings we make it for them. अगर किसी के फार्म हाउस पे घर पे if you have hens then you must have seen. Yes.
मैम मेरे फार्म हाउस में है
Okay, that's what I'm saying. That's good. You must have seen the coop जिसमें वो रहते हैं. उनके घर को हम बोलते हैं coop जो हम लोग बनाते हैं उनके लिए. Then the dogs, all of you know, dogs live in kennels. Yes, everybody knows a dog lives in a kennel and we make it for them. Then you have horses live in stables. Horses live in stables. The horses live in the stables, children. Some of you who have your farmhouse, they must have seen horses living in the stable.
मैम मेरे फार्म और
Okay.
मैम मैंने मनमुखी का चित्र देखा है मेरे घर के बस ऊपर है
Okay.
घर के ऊपर
Yes, Siddha, you want to say something?
मैम मेरे ग्रैंडमदर की हॉर्स है
Okay, that's nice. Okay, then move on to page number 58, children. Page 58.
मैंने हैन भी देखा था हैन
We
मैम
make, yes.
हमारे यहाँ बर्ड्स एंड पैरेट्स
Oh, you have parrots. Okay, Myra. Myra, switch on your camera. I cannot see you. Yes, now I can see. Children, from tomorrow, I want everybody's cameras on. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for me to teach you. If I cannot see you, then I will not be able to get across to you. So please tell your parents, I want all the children's cameras on. अब्बान अभी भी आपका कैमरा ऑफ है. आलिया, अब्दुल, मांडवी, पार्थ, भाविका, सायांश, रुद्र. So many
मेरा
children.
मेरा
So many
मैम
children's cameras are off.
मेरा माइक मेरा ऑन है मैम मेरा माइक ऑन भी ऑन है मैम कैमरा मेरा ऑन है कैमरा भी मेरा कैमरा ऑन है आई एम नॉट मैम मेरा भी
अभी हम
बट
फोटो
मैम मेरा कैमरा ऑफ है
अभी हम फोटोग्राफ क्लिक करके आप लोगों को ग्रुप में डाल देंगे. तो आप लोग देख लीजिएगा किसका किसका कैमरा ऑन है, किसका ऑफ है. Okay, I'll just take a screenshot of the screen and send it to you. You can see your cameras are off. All right, children. तो आपको पता चल जाएगा किसका किसका कैमरा ऑफ है.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम
Yes.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम मैंने हॉस्पिटल को देखा है
Okay, you've seen the horse.
और बर्ड भी
All
मैम
right.
मेरा कैमरा ऑफ नहीं है
भाविका
मैम
आवाज
मैंने
मुझे दिख रही है.
मैम मैंने हॉस्पिटल को देखा है
Okay,
मैम
that's
मेरा
nice.
कैमरा ऑन है मेरा कैमरा ऑन है मैम सच बोल रही हूँ मेरा कैमरा ऑन है
भाविका बेटे अब आप मुझे दिख रही है. That's what I am telling you. अब आप दिख रही है. Can you hear me?
मैम मैंने हॉस्पिटल को देखा है मैम मेरा कैमरा ऑन है मैम मैंने भी फिश को देखा है मैम मैंने फिश को देखा है
Most of
मैंने
you have
काऊ को
seen
भी
the
देखा
animal.
है मैम मैंने रेल को देखा है
Most of you have seen the
मैम
animals and most of you have seen
मैम
some of
मैंने
the animals
को
and
देखा
their
है
houses.
काऊ को देखा मैंने काऊ को देखा है
Okay. Cow को भी देखा है. That's nice. All right, children. Now page number 58. Look at the beautiful fishes given over there. Fish live in an aquarium. And aquarium हम लोग घर पे रखते हैं. We keep some fish in that. We give them food. We take care of them. We change the water. Yes?
मैम मेरे कैमरा मैम मैंने फिश को बहुत जगह देखा है
Okay, that's nice.
मैम मैंने फिश देखी है मैंने भी देखी बहुत जगह मैम फिश मैंने देखी है मैंने पप्पी दिखा है मैम मैंने पप्पी दिखा है पप्पी और मैंने मैम डॉल्फिन देखी है मैम मैंने कैट भी देखी है कैट और पप्पी भी देखा है मैम देखा है
All of you have seen. Now mute yourselves.
एक्सक्यूज मी
Now
मैम
mute. Yes.
मेरे घर पे पहले एक्वेरियम था
Okay, that's nice. Did you take
उसमें
a...
फिशेस थी
Okay, you had lovely fishes in that. That's nice.
मैम मेरे घर पर भी था
Okay.
मैम मैंने कैट भी देखा है कैट
Okay. So
भी देखा
all
है
of you have seen the animals and all of you have
और
seen
मैंने
their
काऊ भी
homes
देखा है
also.
काऊ मैम मेरे नाना के घर एक्वेरियम है
Okay, that's nice. So most of you have seen the aquarium, most of you have seen a spider's web, and most of you have seen Nest also. Some of you said you've seen a den also. That's very nice.
मैम मैंने भी कुछ देखा है
All right, that's very good.
मैम मैंने भी देखा है and the cow भी देखा है मैम
Okay, that's very nice. So most of you. So now
हम भी देखा है
today what you will do. Okay, now listen to me. Listen to me. I heard all of you. You all have all seen animals. You've seen their houses. It's very nice. Now today what you're going to do is for your homework you will read page number. You will read page number 56, 57. Okay, page 56 and 57 you will read it very nicely. And then page 56, there's a little exercise over there. You have to reach the ant to the house. Okay, you will do that puzzle. And I'll send you the video.
Okay,
You can see that video and enjoy it. And maths work, whatever I've given you today, you'll complete all that. Right? I'll be sending you some maths work. And the table of 8, you will write it in your copies. All right? So you have another 2 periods to go, children. With that, we finish with our classes. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am.